Okay, so I just got this envelope that came from a seed swap that I did. I swapped, I can't even remember what I swapped. A few different things that I had seeds. This is from a lady in Missouri? What's MI? I can't remember. Anyway, it says happy gardening. The best things in life aren't things. I agree with that. Anyway, let's see what else. I can't even remember what I swapped for. It's been a little while since we discussed what we were going to swap with each other, and I don't even remember. Let's see, Red Sorrow, okay. It's coming back to me now. Oh, it's so nice. Let's see, let's try and do this in an orderly fashion if possible. Love in a Mist, okay, Nigella, I remember that. Lemon Queen Sunflower, yay! What's this? Mammoth Russian Sunflower. Shasta Daisy. Oh, I gotta plant that immediately. Dark Opal Basil, yes, very good. And Butterfly Weed, oh man. That's wonderful. Very good. I think this is one of the seeds that she said was old and she wasn't sure if she wanted to send it to me. But she did anyway. And so I will plant that immediately. And hopefully these things will germinate. And we shall have more to discuss later on as the days warm up. Thanks for sharing this happy moment with me. Happy gardening. As my friend from Missouri says. Thanks for watching.